KSP TV. Today we have new parents on the block, Soha Ali Khan and Kunal Khemu. Kunal has been very, very patient all through the interactions, being saying he's just extremely supportive, hanging in there, and Soha's doing all the hard work and all of that. So how has the journey last couple of months been? How's the journey been so far?
It's been good, touch wood. I've had certain ups and downs and certain good days and bad days, but on the whole, I feel good. And there's still a long way to go, so I'm taking it one day at a time.
Yeah, that's how it should be. What was the first reaction when you saw those two pink lines?
I would say that excitement, certainly, and it's a mixed bag. There's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of nervousness because you understand. It takes time to understand what it means. But I was very happy. I was ready and I was very happy.
Right. Was that on the bucket list before 40?
I have no bucket list. I don't know about Kunal, but we've taken things. We've been very impulsive. We've just done things as they feel ready. Whether it was our marriage, whether it's our relationship, whether it's certain decisions when it comes to work, they're sort of impulsive, and we're not really big planners.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah, you need to now plan, because now the baby's coming. He's not going to be on impulse. And now you're going to, I keep telling to everybody that if you're a mom or a dad, there'll be multiple cells. So now planning really, you just have to plan everything, otherwise there'll be chaos.
I think there's so many people doing it for you anyways. Both our parents are kind of up for the job.
Yeah, moms are involved.
I mean, sometimes it's just about, you have all the options and you just do the tick marks. And as much as you want to plan, we don't know anything about parenting. I mean, we've all been around kids, but it's a different thing when it's your own kid. And you take it as a day as it comes, and hopefully do a good job.
Yeah. So what's your beauty regime, especially given that you're always facing cameras? Is there extra pressure?
There is some pressure, sometimes of course you go out, now there's a lot of social media and they sort of pop up from nowhere, and you're not always looking your best, you don't always have your best face on. But I think, the idea is to take it with a pinch of salt, and I don't mind seeing myself, in photographs not looking my best. You sort of develop a thick skin, I think, when you're in the limelight like that. But of course, you want to try to look your best. I believe in doing yoga. I think that's really important. Of course, good nutrition I've always adopted even before this news and this journey in my life. So I think good diet, a good lifestyle, a minimum of 10 hours of sleep is very important.
You've been sleeping 12, which is awesome.
I've been sleeping 10. Who said 12?
You said 12.
No, 10. Don't be ridiculous. 12 on Sundays.
Okay.
And yoga. I just think everybody should do yoga.
Awesome. Tell me, are you worried about that one thought that all moms go through, which is stretch marks?
I am worried. I would be lying to say I'm not worried at all. I was worried about putting on weight as well because I said this on stage that I've been 49 kilos for over 25 years, and so to see that the scale tip over and cross 50 and now significantly over 50 was new for me. I've just understood that not only putting on weight, your skin also goes through so many changes, like stretch marks, like pigmentation changes. So those things, I think it's important when you can look after something, it's important to do that and to look after yourself. And that's why we're very excited to be associating with BioOil today, because this is the time that I'm going to start using it.
Right.
And if there was one advice, I've got lots of advice, but one thing that a lot of people told me was start using BioOil as soon as you hit your second trimester, and use it on a regular basis, because it will really help in terms of warding off stretch marks, and once you have them, which are often inevitable and also very normal, it'll also help erase them.
Right. Okay, about your book that's releasing this year, right? The Perils of Being Moderately Famous. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, it's called The Perils of Being Moderately Famous, and it's about me and my life, and I think my position as I see myself in a very famous family where everyone is a superstar, whether it's my mother, my father, my brother, my sister-in-law, my husband, so it's finding your space within that, and I think it's about trying to fit into shoes that are big that you will never fit into because my feet are too small. But you still, you try and find your way in society, and it'll hopefully be tongue-in-cheek and, not serious like me.
All right, now answer in a word.
I can't.
Okay, this is fun. This is fun. Kunal, you can chip in. Okay. Yeah. How many pregnancy kits did you try before you confirmed that yes, this is it? It's confirmed.
One.
That's it?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Okay. Wow. I mean, I know people are in denial and they
I believe in products, and I believe was written on the package.
Okay, perfect. Worst parenting advice anyone has given you?
You're eating for two. You're not eating for two.
What have you Googled the most in regards to pregnancy?
There's a lot of things. I just keep Googling this week, like whatever week it is. I want to know what I'm going through, what's happening inside me. So I'm constantly I wish it was daily as opposed to weekly. I really want to know every day what's happening to me and how to deal with it.
Kunal, what's your search history?
Nothing. This is the same thing I keep asking her. I actually want to know everything right now, and I know that's not possible.
But you can, you
So
can do that, right? You can skip the weeks.
I know, but then I don't. Oh, you're saying so?
No, but we don't get ahead of ourselves.
Yeah, so I'm not allowed to do that.
Yeah, I don't let him get ahead of himself.
Because I would do that. Otherwise, that's what I'm looking at. What is
You guys
this?
are talking like we're watching Netflix and you steal the remote.
Yeah, exactly.
It is a bit like that actually.
Alright. First person to get the pregnancy news.
Me,
My doctor.
I hope.
Who do you think will play the good cop and the bad cop? It's going to be the lenient one.
I'm a Gemini, so I can do both myself. I can leave the room and come back as a bad cop and come back again as a good cop. But I have a feeling that she'll be the one who will have to play the bad cop.
I think I'll have no choice
Yeah.
because I suspect Kunal will be easily swayed by a smaller version of him.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks
A
that.
smaller female or male version?
Yeah, but either.
Yeah.
They'll be spoiled.
Okay. Who reads more books and shares more articles with each other on pregnancy and baby progress? Okay, all
Yeah,
famous
all
people.
reading stuff is me.
Okay, perfect. Now we're going to play that game. So I request you to pick up the cards, take one each, and the game is Have You
Fine.
Ever? So you point out a yes. When it's a yes, and you point
I
out
get
a
it.
no when it's a no. Turn a deaf ear to your partner's mood swings.
Is then all the time?
No, he's
You
just
never-
earning brownie points. He's absolutely earning brownie points.
Have I ever done a deaf ear to it? I'll put up a fight. No, I won't.
Okay. Used a full bottle of bio oil at one go, thinking it'll work better.
No,
I don't.
and
I'm
you
not
should-
even I'm not supposed to be in this competition.
No, but you can say whether she has or she hasn't.
No, we've got to use it. We haven't started using it yet.
Kunal, have you used it too?
No,
Okay, do you intend?
no. Thankfully, I don't have such ones.
Okay.
But you can use it for all those other things like hydration
Yes.
and
Yes.
just warding off age.
Yes.
Now we're gonna get more emails on progress and where you should be using it and all of that. Okay, you're in your initial stage of your relationship, try to sneak out of an awkward conversation, especially with baby, like everybody saying, Acha, now when you're giving the good news and all that, you're like,
Oh, with each other or with other people?
no, with other people when
Oh,
they're
yeah.
like, trying to push you towards the baby
Yes, yes.
space. Okay, yes. Said because I am pregnant. So that means that have you said, I'll just get away with this because I'm pregnant. Has she done that? No?
No.
Wow.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You're
Actually.
like-
Can one do that?
Yeah, like, just
I
give
know,
me that, I'm
yeah,
pregnant.
yeah.
Just give me
No.
this.
I can guarantee she'll never do it actually.
That's a good girl. Said because you're not a woman, you will never understand. Has she ever said that?
No. Wow. I wish I could say
You
that.
Did
appreciate
you
me
have a
now.
problem with the answer?
No.
Maybe he hasn't.
He's a good guy. Made up
I'm a good girl. What do you mean?
made up a craving to tease Kunal.
Made up a craving to tease him.
Yeah.
Um,
Like, ye leke aao. It's even if it's like 12 in the night.
मैं खुद लेके आऊंगी. I
No,
don't.
no.
Guys, is this even for a real relationship?
What craving?
I was thrown out of a house once because she wanted to have some things that
Chocolate
she's
and
not
aerated
allowed
drink,
to.
yeah.
An aerated drink that she wasn't allowed to.
I made
Not
up a
now,
fight. Yeah, this
long
was
time
actually a while ago. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
But
that's
that's happened.
Okay. Try to hide your belly.
In
Beginning.
actually it's the frustrating thing when you're not allowed to tell people is when you feel most unwell and you start to expand. So yes, certainly in the beginning I think I tried to hold it in till I almost fainted and then I
Just
realized
do this and-
sorry, okay, this is short, one answer.
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay. Googled your pregnancy news?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Or like Twitter or whatever you checked out. Stuff.
No, I haven't actually.
Okay. Send a picture of your belly to Kunal just to show it's growing.
You guys,
Alright. Have you started chatting with your baby already? Good guys. Have you started watching childbirth videos already?
Never.
Don't do it. You'll feel
Never,
yourself.
I know.
Okay. Have you ever worried about having your husband in the delivery room? And what is he
And
going
I worried about it.
Yeah. No, you're not. Okay.
You have to be there.
Yeah, I was more worried about my husband being in the delivery room than actually pushing the baby out. So
No,
you have
no,
no clue. You're not worried that he'll faint or
I
he'll
thought we were
collapse.
just holding the placard now.
We're not explaining ourselves. We're just answering.
Perfect. Great, guys. Thank you so much. This has been
Yeah.
such a fun chat.
Thank you.
And by far, I mean, I think you guys are gonna like have a breeze through
I think so
parenting,
too.
and for everything else, that's kids off rest.
Absolutely.